distinguished guy with a puta. We can't go get perk every time. It's like police, I be honest all the while. And they go 2 to 2 with him here.
Me never know say you listen to me, man.
I love your program.
Okay, thank you, man.
I see me begin to listen to you. We start the real program. So real road highly political. And my wife clear the real road that objective. Although we see him have tough time on the road with it.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers at the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Yes, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel is all about saving life, and that's our main priority here. Yes, we are not beholden to any political parties in Jamaica or anywhere, but we support the party or government who is willing to make Jamaican people's lives better, especially when it comes on to security. We would like to see the culture of the people change, by instilling these youths ethics, moral, decency, truthfulness, and to get rid of all the muck and this culture erosion that has been taken over and infiltrate our people's mind in Jamaica. You understand? So, that's what we're all about here, reading, and these youths need to read more. So, we are all about saving lives here at the channel, on the Jamaica Young Police channel. But some lives are not worth saving. They have lived a parasitic life and were not contributing citizens to the society. Hence, we'd like to find a way to get rid of them by any means necessary. The Jamaica Young Police channel is not for criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, beneficiaries, sympathizers, excuse specialists, and head hunchers in criminal underworld. At the channel, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we aid criminals with a passion. Yes, especially the criminal police officers. So Vybz Kartel is a convicted murderer, and you know that Isaac Buchanan is a convicted drug dealer. Can you believe it? So today we're going to talk about Vybz Kartel, the convicted murderer, and they are saying that some idiots talking about plot to kill Vybz Kartel in GP. Look, nobody don't have to plot to kill Vybz Kartel in GP. Look how many years he has been there. So, based on information received and obtained here, Vybz Kartel and his followers, they're blaming a man, been in prison, and when you are conspiring and plotting to take somebody's life from prison, don't you expect the authority to do something? It's just like this guy named White Knight that is connected to Vybz Kartel. We soon talk about him, you understand? Because hey, look, we applaud the correctional service for putting Vybz Kartel in a 23-hour hole. But look, because we don't like it. You see, just like how them do El Chapo. El Chapo in a 23-hour. El Chapo literally, is a madman right now, because he don't have no light, he don't have nobody to talk to. All him see, and him not even have light inside there, so eventually I get used to the darkness. Don't even have a radio inside, not even book. You understand? So I saw Uncle Sam deal with people who are dangerous. Yeah, man, you understand? Just like that. So, as you can see right there, so, we just giving a little showcase though, show the hypony of a liar, you see him right there, ugly some, same as sue the government of Jamaica for Zozo and SOE. I hope the Canadian government them investigate him, because we don't say no sue them nothing in them pocket, that the money in their pocket. A scam, they are good at scam people them. But so we'll continue the journey now with Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel, convicted drug dealer, coke dealer, international druggist, lawyer Isaac Buchanan file court papers to take Kartel out of the 23-hour hole. You can't beat the you understand? Alright, we don't want to run all prison out. Really? You understand? So we at the Jamaica Young Police channel are thrilled that Vybz Kartel is on a 23-hour lockdown in prison. there are a few reasons why people might feel this way. As us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, some people believe that Kartel is guilty of crimes he was convicted and deserved punishment. Yes, we do believe that too. Because even him say it and him recording when him talk to all him friend Problem Child. Yeah, we heard that Problem Child was killed in Portmore. You understand? Some people believe that Kartel is a bad influence on society and that his music promote violence and crime, which is true. Yeah, you know, Vybz Kartel don't promote nothing positive, pure negativity. All people that jump off all host up, say them a dance. I don't know what kind of madness that. You understand? Some people have tired of hearing about Kartel's hoping this will finally end his career. It is important to remember that Kartel is still human and has the rights to a fair and humane treatment. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel celebrate his suffering even if you believe he is not guilty. But we know that he is guilty because the court find him guilty. Instead, it would help if you focus on the fact that he is still a person and deserves to be treated with dignity. Yeah, so that's why I'm going to get 23 hours in at the lockup. You understand? Yeah, isolation. And that we like, you know, man. All of these guys, when they find them, so, you know, hey, these cell, you know, themselves built underground. You understand? So, you know, ventilation and everything they never get, and the oxygen from the outside that's still down to them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we have heard people making excuses, you know, why Vybz Kartel should be released from prison and World Boss is innocent. Vybz Kartel hasn't shown any remorse or anything for killing of lizards and others. You understand? And he has been getting away with murders for many years. You understand? It is also remember that Kartel's lockdown is not without its critics. Some believe it's cruel and unusual punishment and that violates Kartel human rights. So what happened to the rights of the people them were him kill? I that me can't take with these woke activists, you know, these mad people, you know. Yeah, man, you treat a person or treat others. So if you treat somebody humane, you expect to get humane treatment. When you treat somebody inhumane and you take their life, what happened? You don't feel you deserve to lose yours too. Why Kartel to get some special treatment? Yeah, man, I want to use this opportunity to show it out to the big court dealer, a little bigger. Yeah, man, tell lies about the dead man rifle. Say he was like a father. Then send a voice note to Ugly Some telling lies on the man. That the man pay people for kill people. What a wicked boy, man. The court dealer a little bigger. All because he might defend Cold Breeze, you know. So the criminal them stay. That's why there's no honest criminal, you know. So we have to just give you a little thing about, you know, that's coming up. You understand? So you will see that later on. And there's no, if you know an honest criminal, show me one. You understand? So ultimately the decision of whether or not to be happy about Kartel lockdown is a personal one. There are valid arguments to be made on both sides of the issue. However, it is essential to remember that Kartel is still a human being and deserves to be treated with dignity. Yes, you know, we are the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Yeah, we believe in, you know, treating him humanely. You know, and you understand, because he's a human being. But at the same breath, yes, if him violate him, abide by the rules, you know, 23-hour lockdown. That is his punishment for having two phones in his cell and creating problem. You know, they're planning to kill, or, you know, a hard-working detective, you know, Isaiah Leng. So we don't support the criminality, you understand, in no way, shape and form. And can you believe that instead of Jamaica is getting better? Yes, and you know, I have seen an article where the Prime Minister is saying that people is saying that the politician is making Jamaica, destroy Jamaica. So true, and that is a fact. They are politicians destroying Jamaica because when they make a man like Isaac Buchanan as an attorney at law, a twice convicted court dealer, show me one honest criminal. They don't know how much of Jamaica, man. So how I'm saying, that's all it, because that's what you guys doing for real. So attorney at law Isaac Buchanan, the international coke dealer, the international drug dealer, the twice convicted druggist, who represent the incarcerated DJ Vybz Kartel, is investigating claims that his client is being treated unjustly at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in Kingston. Yeah, so, you know, speaking with the Weekend Star, Isaac, convicted drug dealer, coke dealer, international drug dealer, he disclosed that should the prison official add undue stress that may worsen his client's medical woes, it would infringe on his right. Hey, look here. From a man go to prison, you give up all rights. You give up all your rights and them things. I don't know what this guy is talking about. You understand? What kind of rights? Now kill people in a prison. Okay, it's the kind of madness that you're talking about. Yeah, but we know, say, you know, you're a convicted drug dealer and you say you've never been convicted. And the Jamaican politician, them make Jamaica worse by giving credence to people like you. You know, or a convicted drug dealer become a liar for, you know, officer of the court. To be a liar, you're supposed to be honest, have integrity, decency, ethics. You know, have none of that. You're dishonest, you're untruthful, you lie. Because there's no honest criminal. Some know, well, I don't know how a criminal become a liar in our judiciary in Jamaica. Just water down the thing. You understand? So a post on an Instagram account believed to be owned by the DJ allegedly that he has been placed on a 23-hour lockdown since phones were found on the block where he's been housed, and that the lockdown is affecting his health as the cell is poorly ventilated. I lie, tell man. You understand? So I don't talk the truth that them found the phone in your possession, but allegedly the phone found in your possession. That's why they do that. Yeah, and you carve out one iPhone. Vybz Kartel carve out one of the phone. And if you know where I'm talking, you understand? So Vybz Kartel are a real world sport. So if the post has been brought to my attention, I can only address the issue of the 23-hour lockdown in contrast to his medical condition and those concerned. He said, I can confirm that a claim is coming. It is not filed yet. In terms of a claim, one has to get some clarity from the court as to what is happening, he continued. I am getting clarity on whether there is proper communication between the medical department and what's being done, because the prison is running differently. There is a changing of the guard. The changes I see are unusual. For instance, limitations on visitations for attorney on a Saturday. I don't know if the new person is a 7-day Adventist, but even access to inmates on a Saturday is concerning, Buchanan said. So who care about you? You're not convicted drug dealer, anybody business about you concerned. When you sell coke, you destroy people's life, and that is what you were doing, and twice you were arrested and charged. So all of a sudden now, you're a human rights activist. But you concerned about what? Well, sit your coke dealing self down, man. You understand? You don't see it. But you don't know the person a 7-day Adventist. So he further that the medical condition of Vybz Kartel, whose given name is Adija Palmer, is no secret, and should correctional official do anything to cause any further complications, it will be filed as an infringement against the DJ's rights and other privilege afforded to him as an appellant. It is public knowledge that Mr. Palmer's health is not in the best condition. I would respectfully say that I am trying to choose my words because I am not antagonistic now but more concerned. It is always a concern given that he is getting private medical treatment that the state can't pay for. We know that there is no facility within the prison to care for ailing inmates, Buchanan said. In response to the claims, the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, said it had launched an investigation after 2 cell phones were seized from Vybz Kartel at the airport at the facilities. So let's repeat that, because you hear this now. Because I debunk the liar, the convicted drug dealer, You understand? So in response to the claim made by the twice convicted coke dealer, international drug dealer Isaac Buchanan, the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, said that it had launched an investigation after 2 cell phones were seized from Vybz Kartel at the airport at the facilities. The DCS, that's the Department of Correctional Services, confirmed that the artist was among 3 inmates possessing the prohibited items on the block where he was being housed. One of the banned items was reportedly found in his possession last Friday and Sunday during a search. Yeah, so when them search Vybz Kartel on Sunday, guess what? You know, them have to squat and them thing. I don't know how a man want to go to prison. And you understand, and a man tell you have to take off all the clothes because they want to search you. And they have to squat and they have to cough. If he knock off, them just use the button and lick him in my belly and him just pop out the phone. You understand? So that Vybz Kartel pop out the phone. So Vybz Kartel is a real admiral. You know? So that's why when Sir P call him World Spot, that's true. Because we are doing phone in our battery rasta. Why, hey Virgin, why is something wrong with you, man? You understand? So we'll continue. However, the Department of Correctional Services refuted the claim that the DJ is on a lockdown as he's kept in his regular cell. The DCS, however, said his movements have been restricted pending investigation. It is indicated that it had not received any complaint from the artist about his health. So yeah, so appeal like Vybz Kartel and him drug dealing liar, you know, the cokehead, you know, the coke liar Isaac Buchanan, I tell upon the correctional officers them. You understand? So we burn fire upon them and look here. It is just simple as this. If you don't want to do the time, don't do the crime. Because if you never did kill Lizard, because I saw on the stay, you know, no love gap, you don't want to go to prison because you don't want to itch up with a charge here and them thing there. So you itch up with a charge, so you just hold that. We are complaining about the boy, but they might treat you unfairly. They not treat you unfairly, nothing. You're lucky they never broke your neck. Because of that, if I didn't see Siaga days, you get your neck broke. And that's what I tell you. You understand? And you can't take that to the bank. Yeah, man. So, Vybz Kartel, yeah, man. Only thing we can say, informer for live and gunman for dead, even in their sleep. And guess what, Vybz Kartel? Yeah, man, you are one of them who create a lot of problem in the Jamaican society by destroying a lot of lives. We here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we believe in the truth and we believe in saving lives. The truth doesn't require belief to validate, to be validated. Only lie does. Lies do. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we are law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every human being. But not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in preemptive strikes because it saves life, and we are all about saving lives over here. And Vybz Kartel, be humble, man, and just be nice. You have to respect the word of them, don't diss them, because they are the one that run the joint, not you. This is not outside where your music have influence. Michael Pitney do all thing in a bus and all them thing there. Yeah, and you know, you have told people that you can lead a flock of people like Jesus. And it is true, but you lead them in a wrong way, virgin. You can still change. We still do believe in redemption. Show that you are changed. You understand? Make people start advocating. Say, yeah, Vybz Kartel are changed. Yes, show with that. You understand? We believe in a redemption, Vybz Kartel. And stop the nonsense. You understand? Stop whining like some big, like you have a bingo bag. You know, respect the word of them, man. You know, just go and take care of yourself. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.